I just woke up to dozens of new payment notifications in my affiliate account. In total, this adds up to over $1,000 in earnings. How did I pull it off? Did I have to use anything complex like selling products, posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok? Nope. In fact, I do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you, you've never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. A trick that taps into a $2.3 billion AI ChatGPT loophole, which in turn pays me at least $1,000 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all we have to do is copy and paste a single line of text, activate the AI technology, and watch the commissions roll in. The best part about this is that I can make money on both my computer, smartphone, or tablet. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $1,000 days with this unique AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new Refuel. Refuel is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits the $2.3 billion AI chatbot loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. I call it Refuel because every time we're getting a little low on commissions, we just tap into this method and our earning account gets immediately refueled. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of Refuel. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI copy and paste profit technology with the press of a button inside the Refuel app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $2.3 billion ChatGPT loophole, which is allowing us to get paid. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making $1,000 a day every time we copy and paste a single line of text. Once Refuel is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. The more we copy and paste where the app tells us, the more our earning account grows. Nobody's ever done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the Refuel AI app. Now at this point, you've seen all the proof. You know how well Refuel works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $1,000 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it, that's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try new things out with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access Refuel, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. This offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you a personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yeah, that's how confident I am that Refuel will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get Refuel while it's still available at the early bird discount price.